Hey, what's going on YouTube? Kind of a weird intro we got going on here. My GoPro decided to corrupt a bunch of files and I basically lost the entire beginning of what was going to be this video, which is basically the first round of mods that we decided to do to the Alpha. We went ahead and did a 15% window tint on the front two windows, and we decided to change up the black calipers and do a custom green caliper for the Alpha. We went ahead and dropped the Stelvio off at Speed and Truck World, where they did a professional job. So we went from a black caliper to a green caliper. So stick around, check out the video. I hope you enjoy it.
So the Alfa Romeo is all ready to go pick up. So we're gonna drive down to the shop, Speed and Truck World. Calipers are all painted. Let's go get it. Looks cool, man. Alright, so we're back in the driveway now. I didn't film too much at the shop. I still get a little, I guess, uncomfortable filming in public. So I didn't really film too much of the shop or anything like that. But there you go. You can see here. It's kind of like the golden hour right now, around like 5:30. So the sun's kind of setting, so it's not too bright, but you can see they used to be gloss black. Now it is a metallic lime green, professionally painted. I think it looks great. We just gotta get the little decals on there. I'm gonna throw those on pretty soon. But yeah, they used to be gloss black. Now they're green. Definitely different, unique. I think it looks really cool with the black. Yeah, you can see here, this is the bigger caliper. Yeah, it looks awesome. It would even look cool if these were the color emblems as well, since there's a little green in that. But yep, all it's missing now is the decal, and it'll look great. And I don't know if it's really gonna show up on this video, but there's some metallic in there as well, so it looks really cool. It's not like it's just like a gloss green, but they actually, sanded it down, since this was a gloss finish before, primed it and professionally painted it, and then clear coated it. Speed and Truck World down in Fort Lauderdale. It's only 160 bucks. So I probably could have done it myself, but it probably wouldn't have looked as good as this. And for 160 bucks, why not? It's warranted work, and I still get to help out a small business right now during this whole coronavirus crisis. So, I work for a small business as well, so it feels good to support the small guy. The only thing we gotta do now is get these little decals on the caliper, and we'll be good as new. Alright, all the decals are on there now. Just give you a little quick walk around so you can check it all out. I think it looks great. The rear ones and the front ones. The front ones are a bigger caliper than the rear, so see it there. Right there as well. Looks great. Yep, Obviously it would have been a lot easier to do when the wheel wasn't on there, but whatever. It's more work to take the wheel off to put them on there than it is just to reach around and get it done. Sweet. Yeah, you can see there. I'll throw some still pictures at the end of this video as well so you can see, but now I kind of want to get these painted over here. I think it might look pretty cool. You know, obviously it's not the big brakes like on the Alfa, but I think some maybe some gold painted brakes or maybe orange to match the control arms would look pretty good. But yeah guys, that's gonna do it. First round of mods on the Alfa. Got the brakes, front windows tinted. We've only had it for about 4 days, so good start so far. So stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Like, subscribe, appreciate that. Rebel stuff coming. Alrighty, later.